Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add someone on Cash App. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to add a friend on your Cash App account, then it's quite simple. Tap open Cash App application and log into your account first. Once you do, tap on the human icon from the main home page located at the top right hand corner. Now, right at the top, you'll be able to see an option that says Invite Friends, Get £5. Give it a click and, if necessary, allow Cash App to access your contact. You'll be able to see all of your contacts displayed on the screen. If you want to invite or add someone to Cash App, tap on Get £5 option right next to the contact. A message will be automatically typed in the conversation thread. Tap the send button in order to send the message to your friend that you would like to invite or add into Cash App. Now, if your friend use your invitation code and join in Cash App, you'll be able to receive £5 from Cash App. That is how you can easily add in or invite a friend to Cash App. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.